I'm gonna be buying my first Omikami and Ryujin, so I've decided to make this video tutorial for the sake of those who are interested to show you guys how to buy Omikami and Ryujin as well. So without any further ado, let's dive in, let's dig in, and let's go straight to the main business. So first and first, I want you guys to know that I'm not gonna be buying Omikami or Ryujin based on hype, based on what I thought, based on my feelings or what I think. So I'm actually gonna be buying this Omikami right now based on logic and based on technical analysis. So I'm gonna show you the chart, okay, which I've already done. I've showed you guys before in my previous video on the YouTube video breakdown analysis on Omikami and Ryujin. I showed you guys the level, the price is right now. So as you can see on the chart, okay, so Omikami is actually sitting right at a very strong, demand zone, okay, so a very strong support level. So this is it right here, and as you can see, as the price got to this level, we actually saw a green candle, which is like a green light, okay, and this green candle was the previous monthly candle. This was printed last month, okay, so and this month candle too is already printing green candle. So that could be a sign that this is about to start pumping, okay. Maybe we might actually experience 2 3 4 more green candles. All right, so but any which ways, okay, for as long as the price is sitting at this demand zone, okay, I'm gonna keep buying Omikami, okay. My stop loss is actually gonna be below this, okay. So if the price actually breaks below this, if we have a candle closure that breaks below this and closes below this, okay, that will be a signal for me to stop buying, right? So for as long as the price is around this zone, okay, so I'm gonna be buying. All right, so that's it. This is to show you that I'm not buying based on hype, based on what I feel, based on other people's opinion, okay. So I'm buying based on what I am seeing on the chart, okay. So and also Omikami has actually been in existence for like 3 years plus, okay. So it shows how solid the project is, okay. So now without any further ado, let's just go straight and buy, okay. So same thing with Rio Gene, okay, but let me just go straight to Mexc, right, and buy this right now. So Mexc is a platform which I'm gonna be using to buy Omikami and Ryujin. So we're gonna be using the Mexc decentralized exchange. So if you don't have Mexc account, you're gonna see Mexc link in the description box or in the comment section. So click on it to register, okay. So after your registration, you make sure you verify your account, okay. So once you verify your account, you can buy USDT on Mexc via Mexc P2P. All right, so or you transfer your Ethereum or any coins you have into Mexc and convert it to ETH. So I'm gonna be converting this USDT here now to ETH because for we to buy Omikami and Ryujin, we need to have Ethereum because these coins are actually built on the Ethereum blockchain, okay. So what I'm gonna do right now is to click on trade and click pulsar/USDT and search for ETH, which is right here, okay. So I'm gonna be buying using market order, so gonna use the whole 25 USDT to buy ETH. So I just bought ETH right now. Okay, so the next thing I have to do is to go to the Mexc DEX. Okay, so which is right here. This is the DEX right here. So you click on DEX Plus. Okay, so once you click on DEX Plus, next thing you have to do is to click on the DEX Plus at the middle right here below the receive and send button. Okay, so we can actually transfer our ETH to Trust Wallet, BitGet Wallet, or any decentralized wallet and buy. Okay, but I'm just gonna be buying my first Omikami and Ryujin using the Mexc decentralized exchange. Okay, so next thing I'm gonna do now is to click on trade. Okay, so we already have Omikami right here. So, but I need to deposit, okay, the ETH I bought into this Mexc DEX. So I'm gonna click on wallet right here, and I'm gonna click on receive. Okay, so and next thing I'm going to do is to select network, and network I'm selecting is Ethereum network, right? So I'm gonna click on all and click on confirm. Done. Okay, return to wallet. So I will have to wait for few seconds or minutes for the ETH to reflect. Okay, so and once it reflects, I'm gonna use the ETH to do it, to buy Omikami and Ryujin. So the ETH I deposited as reflect. This is it right here. So next thing I have to do is to go to trade. So I'm gonna click on trade right here and buy Omikami with about 50% of what I have, because I'll be using the rest to buy, Rio Gene. Okay, so I'm gonna click on buy right now, buy Omikami. So I'm buying based on market price. Buy Omikami. Processing on chain. So let's go and copy Rio Gene contract address. Okay, so when buying, take note. Make sure you go to the screen now and copy the right contract address, or check the description box for the correct contract address. Okay, don't just go and copy anyhow contract address so you don't fall victim of scam. Right, so I'm gonna click here to copy the contract address, okay, which I just did. So before we go and paste it on Mexc, let's check this one chart. All right, so this is Rio Gene chart loading. So you can see that this one too is almost sitting at the what's it called, demand zone. Okay, it's almost sitting in demand zone. So, and my stop loss, okay, is also gonna be below here. All right, so anything that makes the price to break below this level right here, I'm not buying again. Okay, so but for as long as the price stays around this zone, okay, I'll keep buying using DCA, dollar cost averaging. Okay, so now with that being said, let's go to Mexc and paste the contract address. This one says buy order fee network blah blah blah. Okay, it's bought already. Okay, it's bought already. Okay, so I'm gonna click on trade, then paste, and we'll buy Rio Gene. Okay, so I'm gonna click on trade. So I'm gonna be buying with, let's say, 50% of what I have. So I'm gonna click on buy Rio Gene. Right? Let's say 35%. Okay, buy Rio Gene. Buy. Then on this Mexc decentralized exchange, you have options, okay, to select limit order or even advanced limit order. Okay, so now as I told you guys previously that I'm gonna keep buying for as long as the price is still sitting or hovering around this level. Okay, so I could set a buy limit to this price, like for to buy at this price I could set a buy limit, okay, to buy at this price. Okay, so if eventually the price still drops further, okay, automatically the order will be executed. I'll be able to buy at a huge discount. All right, so you can do that on Mexc, and also you can even set up auto sell. Okay, auto sell. The auto sell is valid for 24 hours. Okay, so you can set up auto sell. So that auto sell will help you set, like you want to sell maybe after gaining 2x or 10x. So once you set it up, the auto sell will do that for you automatically, so you don't have to miss out. Because there are times whereby the coin you purchased or you bought or invested into will have done, let's say, 5x or 10x, and before you could check your wallet, the price has actually dropped massively. Okay, so but you'll be able to prevent that using this auto sell. That's if you need it. Okay, because I know there are people, mostly a lot of people in crypto, we just buy without even having any plan of selling or exiting. All right, so now click on wallets. Let's find out what we bought. So as you can see, we have the Omikami right here, and we have what's it called, the Rio Gene right here. Okay, so this is my first buy, okay, of Omikami and Ryujin, and as you can see on the screen, these are my first buying amount. Okay, for Omikami $7 plus, for Ryujin $3 plus. All right, so that's it, guys. All right, thanks for watching, and in my next video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to trade these coins, okay, Omikami and Ryujin. In this video I already showed you how to buy. So in the next video, I'll be showing you how to buy and sell while you make profits, taking advantage of the price movement. Okay, so make sure you like, comment, and share this video to your community. All right, so, and if you find this video helpful, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out, and turn on the post notifications so you always get notifications anytime I drop a video like this. See you guys in the next one. Until next time, peace out.